Do you ever look back at an old photo of your living room and cringe at your past design choices? Don't worry, we've all been there. But today, we're diving into 10 timeless interior design trends that you'll still love in 2025 and beyond. These aren't passing fads, they're styles with staying power. Let's make sure your space ages like fine wine, not fast fashion. 1. Neutral color palettes. Neutrals never go out of style. Think beige, ivory, soft grays, and taupe. They're the white t-shirt of interior design, reliable, versatile, and effortlessly chic. In 2025, you'll still see calm, earthy tones dominating stylish homes because they provide the perfect backdrop for anything. Bold art, unique furniture, or even a pop of neon if you're feeling brave. 2. Natural materials, wood, stone, and all things real. Let's be real. No synthetic surface can beat the warmth of wood or the cool elegance of stone. Natural materials ground us. In a world full of screens and steel, they bring us back to the earth. Wooden beams, rattan chairs, linen curtains, they've been around for centuries, and guess what? They're still on trend in 2025. 3. Layered lighting. Overhead lights alone? That's so last decade. The timeless trick is layering. Mix overhead with floor lamps, sconces, and warm LED strips. It's like setting the mood with music. A single loudspeaker won't cut it. You need a symphony of lights to bring your space to life. 4. Built-in storage. Built-ins are the hidden heroes of a timeless space. From wall-to-wall bookshelves to under-stair drawers, built-in storage maximizes functionality without sacrificing style. No more tripping over clutter. No more plastic bins ruining your aesthetic. Just clean, smart, seamless design. 5. Vintage accents. Grandma's side table? It might just be your room's next showstopper. Vintage accents add history and soul to any space. In a world of mass-produced everything, something with a story instantly stands out. Whether it's a mid-century credenza or a distressed mirror, old is gold, even in 2025. 6. Open shelving in kitchens. Open shelving has been controversial, but done right, it's a winner. It invites you to showcase your personality. Those ceramic mugs you love, that cookbook from your travels, a little trailing plant. It turns your kitchen from a workspace into a lived-in, loved-in space. 7. Statement ceilings, the fifth wall. We often ignore the ceiling, but that fifth wall is a blank canvas. Wooden beams, bold paint, intricate wallpaper, statement ceilings draw the eye up and make the whole room feel elevated. Literally. This design move is bold but timeless, and 2025 is still looking up. 8. Indoor plants, biophilic design at its best. From snake plants to fiddle leaf figs, greenery has rooted itself firmly in interior design. Why? Because plants are more than decor. They breathe life into a room, improve air quality, and calm the mind. In 2025, we're still obsessed with bringing the outdoors in. 9. Minimalist furniture with personality. Minimalism doesn't mean boring. The trend that's here to stay is clean lines with soul. Think sculptural sofas, asymmetrical coffee tables, and functional pieces that double as art. It's not about having less. It's about choosing better. 10. Personalization, your home, your story. The most timeless trend of all? Making your space reflect you. Your favorite books, your travel photos, your quirks. These never go out of style, because trends will come and go. But authenticity, that's forever. So whether you're renovating, redecorating, or just dreaming, these timeless design choices will keep your home looking fresh, familiar, and fabulous in 2025 and long after. Which trend is your favorite? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more design inspiration every week. Until next time, design with heart and a bit of flair.